Hello fellow adventurers, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm embarking on a one-of-a-kind journey, a solo rooftop tent camping experience deep within the enchanted Dutch Creek backcountry. Join me as I disconnect from the daily hustle and immerse myself in the serenity of nature. Choosing the right spot is crucial to finding solitude. I've picked a serene location in the Dutch Creek backcountry, far away from the noise of everyday life. Here, it's just me, my thoughts, and the soothing sound of the wilderness. Before we dive into adventure, let's get our campsite ready. I've got my trusty rooftop tent packed, and it's all about convenience. The setup is simple, and I'm excited to spend the night elevated above the forest floor. Setting up the rooftop tent is a breeze. The elevated sleeping platform offers both comfort and unique perspective. Inside, I've got a cozy sleeping setup and everything I need for a peaceful night's rest. With camp set up, I'm free to embrace the natural world. The gentle rustle of leaves, the distant sound of water, these are harmonies that surround me. It's these moments that I truly feel connected. Cooking outdoors is a true pleasure. The simplicity of a hot meal prepared in open air is unmatched. As I cook dinner, I am reminded of the beauty in life's basic joys. As I reflect, I am reminded of the power of solitude in nature. The experience allows me to recharge, find inner peace, and appreciate the simple wonders around us. As the sun sets, the landscape transforms. The sky is turned into a canvas of colors, orange, pink, purples. Watching the sunset from the campsite is truly magical. When night falls, the stars emerge, painting the sky with brilliance. From my rooftop tent, I have a front row seat to the celestial spectacle. The quiet night invites introspection. With dawn comes a new day. The first rays of light paint the landscape, creating a tranquil atmosphere. I wake up to the sounds of birdsong, feeling refreshed by the natural world. As the adventure concludes, it's time to pack up. The rooftop tent is easily stowed away, leaving no trace. The memories of the solo experience will stay with me as I return to civilization. Nature has a way of teaching us valuable lessons. The patience of flowing water, the resilience of trees, these insights can be transformative. I take these lessons with me as I head back. Man, this place is awesome. Well, rooftop tent camping lets me reconnect with all this. This is great. It's a journey that I'll never forget. I love it so much. Finding solitude in Dutch Creek Backcountry was a gift. It reminds me of the beauty of silence, the magic of simple moments. As I leave, I carry these feelings with me. Thanks for joining me on this rooftop tent adventure. If you really like these videos, do me a favor, hit the subscribe, smash the notification bell, comment, like, the whole shebang. It would really help me out. Until next time, embrace nature, cherish every moment. See you on the next one.